Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to make Turkish style savory fried donuts. Hamur kızartması, pişi. Traditionally, we make this for breakfast, lunch, or for afternoon tea time. A great accompany for cheeses, olives, some tomato, cucumber, and of course Turkish tea. And if you want to eat it with sweets, just dip it to your favorite jams. So let's make it. Our dough is very simple yeast dough. I have 1 cup lukewarm water, adding 3 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon double acting instant yeast. You can also use fresh yeast or regular dry yeast. I just mix it to make a dough. After everything is somewhat mixed, I added 1 teaspoon salt and continue to knead with either stand mixer or by hand until I have soft, somewhat sticky dough. We want it to be soft so the final result also will be softer. Just lightly oil your bowl and transfer the dough to rice. You can make the dough the day before at night and then keep it in the fridge. But since it was early morning, to shorten the time, I'm gonna use a double boiler method. Just heat up some water in another pan. No need to boil, we want the steam. After it's warm, turn off the heat and let it sit until it doubles. Mine took for about 25-30 minutes. By the way, since it's the breakfast time, my tea is already brewing, and on the back I'm preparing the breakfast and heating up the oil. And my daughter Zeynep is also filming for the reel. If you don't know, I also have an Instagram account, Turkish Food and Travel. You can follow me from there. I'm sharing daily stories and posts. And this is how you shape. You just dip your hand into some oil and also oil a small plate. And without disturbing the risen dough, get piece of dough and open it with your hands like this. This is how I learned from my mom. In some of the recipes, they also make a hole in the middle like a donut, but since I learned like this, I wanted to keep it this way. Make sure the oil is hot. Mine were not so well in the first batch. It should begin to fry right away and rises this way and will be more fluffy. You can also shape the dough in the oiled plate like this, and it quickly begins to get golden color, so be careful and continue to shape the others and fry. My pan was a little small and I already had it when I was frying some potatoes. But if you use a little bit bigger one, it will surely take less time to fry all the dough. No matter if it's breakfast time, lunch, or afternoon tea time, if we don't have anything at home, we just make this quick hamur kızartması, Turkish Savory Fried Doughnuts, or in old times we used to also buy the ready bread doughs from the bakeries, unbaked yeast dough and fried at home for either unexpected guests, neighbors, or for kids who comes from the school hungry. Let me show you inside. It is very fluffy. As you can probably understand, it doesn't take much oil and a perfect accompany. By the way, if you have a sweet tooth, you can simply dip the hamur kızartması fried doughnuts into your favorite jam and enjoy. In the upcoming episode, I'm gonna show you how you can turn the same dough into soft breads for your breakfast, freshly baked in 2 ways without frying. It is so easy to make, and there is nothing like a fresh bread to have in your breakfast, and so easy. We love both ways, and you don't need to fry the dough in this method. Check the links down below and my archive for more bread and breakfast recipes, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Afiyet olsun.
Ne oldu?
Düştü.
Yağlandı mı?